Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make a neon text in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, we have new project, open from computer, templates, and install Photopea. So right now, I'm gonna click on new project. Once you click on your project, you're going to be right here in this window. So basically, guys, once you're here you're going to find some templates that you can use for your project. And right here, you're going to find the option to choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color. And right here, you can choose a size for your image. So right now, I'm going to choose this size, for example, and then click on create. Once you click on create, you're gonna be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So right now, in order to add a text, all you need to do guys is click on the type tool. Once you do that, just go ahead and click anywhere you want and then type the text that you want. For example, I'm gonna name it tutorial like this. And then once you type it, you can select the text. You can change the size of the text from here, as you can see, guys. From here, you can choose or change the color of the text. For example, I'm gonna make it purple. Click on OK. And now it's changed to purple. You can also go right here. And from here, as you can see, guys, you can change the font of your text. You can choose any font that you want. For example, I'm gonna change it to this font. And as you can see guys, it's easily changed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.